Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the front brakes on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Okay guys, we got the wheel off, and the first thing you got to do is take off the calipers. So first thing you got to do is remove this bolt and this bolt down here. These are 14 millimeters, so let's do that. Alright, once you take these bolts off, this part just comes right out. And what you're going to do is, don't let it hang because this messes up the brake line. So just hang it over here like this. Or you could take a strap and hang it up here. We're just going to leave it there for now. These are your brake pads. They had a pretty decent amount of pad on it, but it was getting a lot of pulsation, so we're going to remove this rotor. Okay, we're replacing the rotor, so we need to take off this bracket too. And the thing that holds this in place is 17 millimeter bolt right here, and another one down here. Let's take those off. All right, now we can take off this. These are your nice new rotors. So what we're going to do is clean them up first with some of this brake clean, because this has a coating from the factory, so they don't rust. So clean those up real quick. Alright guys, these are your new pads. Came with some hardware, okay? And these are your new pads. Alright guys, so this came with a bunch of hardware. So what you're gonna do is take these off, okay? They just pop right off. The one on top too. And you're just gonna match it up and use the appropriate hardware, whichever fits, okay? Okay, next thing we gotta do is take this caliper and push it in back in here, so you have more access to put the new pads, okay? So you're gonna use a C-clamp, okay? And just use an old pad, throw an old pad in here, like that. And then you could put the C-clamp on, like that, and just push it all in, okay? Okay. That is fully seated in it, okay? Okay, before you put these pads on, just put a little grease on the side here, okay? And these things are just gonna slide right in. Like that. Like that. Do the same thing with the other one. And you're just gonna slide right in. Okay. Next thing you wanna do, take these pins off and grease them, okay? These are slide pins, they just slide in and out, so you gotta make sure you take them off and grease them up. Okay, let's do that. Actually, clean them up first. It's probably pretty cruddy. Clean them up first, then grease them, okay? We're just putting some grease on this. Alright. And then we're gonna slide it back in here. Make sure this boot goes over, okay? It's just gonna go in and out like that, okay? Okay, next thing you want to do is put the caliper back on. Squeeze this in if you have to, and then put your 14 millimeter bolts back on. Okay. Alright guys, that's all that's to it. It's pretty easy. Do it yourself and save yourself some money. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.